What's up? It's Kat and Dev, two market girls.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say like two sandwich girls, because then it's like different.
That also kind of sounds gross.
Don't make it weird, okay? We just like sandwiches, so we're eating a bunch of sandwiches.
And yeah, I think I've been here a lot, but we've never actually made a video about this place.
No, and we've talked about, we used their deli meat in our sandwich video.
Yes.
So they're local to Hamilton.
Yeah.
Nona's,
yeah.
And so they have a little restaurant at the farmer's market where you can get sandwiches. They have so many. So we got 4 different ones.
And they're truly life-changing sandwiches.
Seriously.
Like, I've never had a vegan sandwich taste so good.
Like, nothing is even close.
Nowhere near close.
Unless you made a sandwich at home using their meat.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. So we got 4 different sandwiches to try. We've tried some of them, other ones we haven't. But we're just gonna taste test sandwiches.
Yeah.
And just show you them.
They deserve to be showcased.
Yeah. That's the porchetta.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're so good.
Just look at that.
Wow.
Look. Look at that. This is quality sandwich. Should we just start this one? Because I've opened it, I've touched it.
Oh.
Wow.
My goodness.
I could
Wait, do we need
cry.
a thumbnail? Should we just hold the sandwich?
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Alright. I'm so happy. These I don't know how they make them so good. Why can't a big company make deli meat this good?
I cannot.
I love sandwiches.
The meat is because it's cut so thin.
Mm-hmm.
It has good flavor, but then everything else they put on here also
so good. And the bread they use.
The bread. We'll link to their website, right? Where they have, so that you can. I can't remember what
or their
all of
Instagram
their
or something,
sandwiches is the thing.
Yeah, they've expanded their menu more recently, so it's a bigger menu now. They used to, like, when they soft launched, it was like 4 or 5 sandwiches, I think. Mm-hmm. Now it's a much bigger menu.
Oh,
so good.
I would, wherever you are, drive to Hamilton for this.
Honestly, it's worth it.
Yeah.
If you're gonna visit Toronto for any reason, take an hour trip outside of Toronto to come to Hamilton and get a sandwich.
On a you can get it any day the farmer's market is open?
Yeah, I can't remember. I think the farmer's market is open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I think. Okay. This is the Stugatz.
Oh, we haven't had this one?
Oh, no, okay. You haven't had this one.
Okay.
You also haven't had this one. This is my favorite sandwich. I got it confused with the porchetta. This one's my new favorite.
Oh.
It's so good.
It looks beautiful.
It's just so classic tasting.
Oh! Yeah, but better.
But better, yeah.
Classic, but elevated.
It makes me so happy, and there's pickles on it.
Mm-hmm. They're like pickles and mustard and mayo, and
it's just everything about it is so good.
No,
I love this sandwich so much.
This is the kind of sandwich you marry.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is my favorite.
The problem is this will ruin all other sandwiches for you.
Mm-hmm. It makes it really hard to enjoy just like a regular schmegular sandwich at home. They're like so good. They remind me of like every sandwich I've ever eaten. Like that feeling you have when you have a really good sandwich. Like it could be the sandwich you bring to the beach or the sandwich you brought to the park. Like sandwiches don't have to be that special to be really fucking good.
That was like so beautiful and profound.
I don't know, it's just so comforting. It's so nice. It reminds me of like every time you've ever brought a sandwich somewhere.
Because when the sandwich is there for you, it's in all perfect moments.
It's just so good.
This is not sponsored by Nona's or sandwiches or Big Sandwich.
This one's not labeled. What else did we get?
The Tuscan Polo.
Which is this one.
Okay.
This one.
Gabagool.
Gabagool.
Right?
Yeah, I think we got the gabagool. Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I haven't had this one in a while.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I forgot how good it was. Oh my god. Everything about these sandwiches is so, like, I don't even know if this is a review. We're just like eating sandwiches and having life-changing experiences on camera.
They all have such distinct flavors when you bite into it.
Yeah.
Even though there are some overlapping ingredients, but wow.
Notice, I just need you to like spread everywhere. Sell your meats in stores. Open up locations everywhere. Everyone deserves a sandwich this good.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody deserves a sandwich this good.
No, I think this is the key to happiness.
Yeah. Oh, and it's all plants. I don't get it. I honestly, like, I really thought deli meat was the one thing that, like, was never gonna get there.
It's really hard.
Like, there's vegan deli meats that I eat, but they're not, like, I don't eat them because they remind me of non-vegan deli meats. I eat them just because I like them for its own thing.
I also think, like, these would pass the non-vegan test.
I think so.
Like, do you think if you didn't tell people
and just gave them be like, oh, I'll pick up sandwiches for us. I think no one. I don't think people would be able to tell
because
that's vegan.
visually
There's no
they
way.
also look like meat.
That's what I mean.
This
Like
is
how?
a sandwich. Hello.
How? That looks just like a sandwich.
No, this is science.
I don't think
science.
Again, I've been vegan a long time, but I don't see how you could tell. How if you didn't know, you'd be able to tell that wasn't.
You'd just be like, oh, I guess it's from a sandwich place I've never seen before.
Yeah. Oh, the Tuscan polo. This is their chicken.
Yes. And pesto.
Yeah. Oh my god. I forget how good they all are.
Oh,
Why?
the flavors actually come in waves
Yeah.
as you're like getting through the pieces.
They're so you can also buy their deli meats like in bulk. You can buy them so you can make sandwiches for yourself at home. I think their chicken is one of my favorites because it's so flavorful. There's so much flavor in it. It's so good.
No, like, okay. Do you think you could pick a favorite out of these four?
There's definitely ones that I go to more often. But like they're all so good for their own reason.
Yeah.
Like I do think the Stugatz is my favorite. It's just so like
It's so classic.
It's the one that it's so classic. It makes me feel so
Yeah.
freaking happy. I could eat it if I'm craving a sandwich. That's what I'm thinking about.
Yeah.
So like it's just a standard. Like I could keep going back to it. But like they're all so good. Like if I'm feeling a different kind of vibe, I could go any other way basically. So like I think the Stugatz is my favorite because I get it the most. But like I also used to get the Tuscan Polo a ton. It's so good. But like it's more if you want something a little different because it's like chicken pesto.
Yeah,
it's not
yeah.
quite a deli meat sandwich that like
Exactly.
you think of when you think about a deli meat sandwich.
It's like one you might get at like a restaurant for lunchtime.
Yeah. Like a lunchtime sandwich.
I mean, I know they all kind of are,
Yes.
but you know what I mean?
But like they're all so good for their own reasons. The gabagool's like a little. It's one that I'd probably get the least out of all of these, only because it's not heavy, but like
It's got more rich flavors in it.
Yeah.
Oh, but they're so good.
Yeah, it's all so good. Like I've never had a bad sandwich from
I need
Nonno's.
everybody to go buy these sandwiches so this place never closes down.
pretty much.
I
Please
don't-
support this place.
I don't want to know a world without these sandwiches.
Me neither.
Because I already lived in that world, and now the world is brighter.
I honestly didn't like. I knew I missed deli meat, but I didn't really
It's the sandwich.
estimate how much
Yeah.
joy this would bring me to find a place that it just feels like a sandwich. It doesn't
Yeah.
feel like I'm sacrificing anything.
Exactly.
Yeah, and I really underestimated how much joy that would bring me. It was so good. Like this is a place I could eat at every day.
Yep.
They've made me love sandwiches again.
I was gonna say, they inspired any sandwich videos you've seen or will see.
In the last when did they open? A year ago maybe?
Something like
Yeah.
that, yeah.
In the last year, if you've seen any sandwich video on our channel, it's because of this place.
Okay. Chopped sandwiches are out.
Yeah.
Nona's sandwiches are in.
I've also made salads with this deli meat, where it's
Oh.
just basically like a sandwich.
Yeah.
All the ingredients you'd put in a sandwich, but in a salad.
Yeah.
So freaking.
And like we put it on charcuterie boards too.
It's so like yeah. That's another thing is like sometimes there's deli meats that you're like I could eat it with things and it wouldn't be too bad. But like there's never been a deli meat that you're like you want to put on a charcuterie board, a vegan deli meat, and it like feels like meat.
Yeah,
Now there is.
there is.
It's so good. Yeah, this was just a full-on ad for them, a free ad. They did not ask us to do this. I just want everybody to go here so that they never close down.
Yes. So this is for Hamilton tourism. This is for
Yeah.
Nona's. This is for sandwiches, all over.
They just make me so happy.
In the we'll put links to their stuff
Yeah.
in the description so that you can go check them out.
Yeah.
In the comments, tell us if you've had them, and if you haven't, what's your favorite
Yes.
sandwich you've had as a vegan?
Yeah,
Because we obviously all need more sandwiches
always.
every day.
Sandwiches
Breakfast,
for
lunch,
everybody.
and dinner. We should do a sandwich video that is a sandwich for every meal.
Dessert sandwich too. Ice cream
You
sandwich.
would say that.
Ice cream sandwich.
Okay, it's happening.
You're like, yeah, I'm on board now.